Sensibility and practicality define the 2020 Chevrolet Colorado. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.